Hey y'all. I have been sick, so I haven't been filming very much, but I've been working on the menagerie, as you can see, right over here. And I think it's coming along pretty good. Got a full shelf going on here. And over here. But I have a little bit of a problem today. I came out here this morning, and it seems that one of our little nightly visitors has gotten tangled in the netting that I have for my jasmine. So y'all are gonna have to help me through this. But here he is. I think he broke his leg. I'm not sure, but I'm going to daintily try to get him out and set him free. I will update you on a little bit. Bye-bye.